Giving up a newborn child for adoption is never an easy decision. When expectant mothers want to save the lives of their unborn children but feel unprepared to nurture and raise them, the adoption option becomes a viable choice. During the counseling process, crisis pregnancy centers will advise expectant mothers of the support network available to them, including referrals to licensed adoption agencies if those receiving counsel are unable to care for their babies. Occasionally, a woman brings her child to term, delivers the baby, and only then discovers she is unable to properly nurture it for whatever reason, emotional, physical, or financial. In decades past, we would occasionally read stories of days-old infants being abandoned on church steps, or worse still, being left to die in dumpsters. Fortunately, today's pro-life movement is proving that our respect for life and compassion for mothers and their babies continues beyond the moment of birth. A growing number of state legislatures have passed laws allowing mothers or fathers to legally access and use safe haven baby boxes located at fire stations. When an overwhelmed parent deposits their child into the climate-controlled device, an alarm immediately sounds inside the station, alerting the first responders to retrieve the baby, monitor its condition, and take it to a medical facility where it's cared for and placed into the adoption system. Such laws are now on the books in Arizona, Arkansas, Florida, Indiana, Kentucky, Montana, New Mexico, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, and Tennessee. According to National Right to Life, some states are expanding protections to permit a 1-year safe haven time limit. Other pro-life family proposals being debated in various state houses include providing postpartum Medicaid coverage to new mothers for 1 year after birth, offering tax credits for donations to adoption agencies and crisis pregnancy centers, and eliminating taxes on diapers. And how effective have the Safe Haven baby boxes been? The National Safe Haven Alliance reports the boxes saved over 4,500 babies' lives between 1999 and 2021. Speaking of saving babies, we urge you to show your compassion for the unborn of New York State. Consider underwriting the work of Compass Care Pregnancy Centers. According to the Reverend James Harden, Compass Care's CEO, his highly skilled, totally committed medical teams see daily victories at every center in the system. Compass Care Pregnancy Centers have been adding locations across that state to serve the lives of women and unborn babies. In fact, for over 35 years, Compass Care has been New York's trusted source for reproductive health care. To learn more about the many compassionate services offered to every mother and baby accessing our office, visit online at www.compasscare.info.